One of my oldest and dearest friends approached me recently in need of some garage doors. He did a lot of electrical work at my home, so it's my turn to return the good favour. So this morning I'm going to be fitting him a new pair of hardwood garage doors. He didn't need a traditional set of doors because he won't be parking his car in there, and he wanted something a little bit different where he didn't have an equal pair of garage doors. So if he just wants to nip in for a brush, a tin of paint, he's just got a single easy to open door, and if he needs to get anything bigger out, he can open up the wider door. This is what we specialise in. We can do any configuration. It doesn't have to be just standard. Depending on the width of your garage opening, we can make a complete bespoke setup. So you could have a single door to the right and a larger one to the left, an equal pair, glazed options, fully boarded. We've got a range of styles on the website to have a look at. Please have a browse. If you're a regular subscriber to our page, you'll notice today I haven't got little Lola with me. She's having a day off today, so she's having a day sat on the bed. More often than not, a garage door frame is three-sided, leaving the floor smooth, which you can drive over, push a wheelbarrow over. But this is a little bit different. Because the ground's uneven and my dear friend doesn't need to roll anything over, only a few bikes, we've put a hardwood threshold right through the bottom. The benefit of that is it just keeps that gap to an absolute minimum underneath, stops leaves blowing under. That's another option to consider. For a very neat and clean look, instead of putting the old-fashioned strap hinges that go across the front, we fitted grade 13 stainless steel butt hinges. They are really heavy duty hinges with 4 on each door, and it just gives a really nice clean look to the doors. All you see is just the knuckles of the hinges and the nice chrome handle for the lock. We always use the same lock on the garage doors. It slides a stainless steel bar right across the inside, so there's no way that the door can be jammed open. In another film that is on our channel, a little film just about how that lock's fitted and how easy they are to fit. I'm trying to make our YouTube videos short and sweet and a little bit varied, but if you are enjoying watching them, please do subscribe to us. Keep an eye out for our work. Okay, I'm about 5 minutes away now, so as soon as we get there, we'll get this horrible metal up and over door off and we'll get these lovely new doors fitted. Thank you for watching. Good morning, I'm back a week later to just finish off this little project for my friend. What we're going to do this morning is we're just going to put a nice bit of cladding down the left hand side and down the right hand side, and that'll finish it off really nice. This job's just about complete now. My friend's really pleased with it. You can see we've got here a pair of offset garage doors in Sapele, and what we've done is we've put a nice cladding round just to finish it off. If you've enjoyed watching our films, please do subscribe to us, hit the like button, follow our work. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.